Unknown gunmen have gunned down a policeman in OKIGWE, Imo State. They say Hope Uzodinma have run to Abuja. Simon Ekpa. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, to be the part of this great family, don't forget to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell for more updates so that anytime we update, you will be the first person who will get the update as they hot. No be smarting, no. They say kasala don burst and water don pass garri, yawa don gas. No be smarting. Move go ahead, go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Oh, no be smarting. They say things they happen. Oya, stay tuned as we dey bring them one after the other. No forget to share this video. Very, very important. They say for OKIGWE, for Imo State, they say unknown gunmen don't visit one policeman, send them to early call for that side. You know, say some things with the twist and because of their wahala for this Facebook. Okay, move go ahead, go read and come outside at the TikTok and we go play you the video. May you watch, may you see what they go on. A lot of things don't happen. They say it is happening now in OKIGWE, Imo State. A bit small thing. They say unknown gunmen don't send one Nigeria policeman to early exit. No be small thing. So if you look for this picture, you go still see am for that picture. We will play you the video. May you see wetin dey happen. We will cover the video a little bit because of violation. And we will play the video for you. May you watch. They say unknown gunmen don't buy one policeman for OKIGWE, Imo State. So we'll play the video. May you watch and hear what this government talk for mat. Wait by this policeman and show you in car we in carry as well.
It happened left and right in OKIGWE. And there is zoo, and I go die finish. And I go die finish. Happen life and direct in OKIGWE. Yeah? It happen life and direct in OKIGWE. It happen life and direct. Release the man and the Carlo. No Biafra, no peace. No Biafra, no peace. No Biafra, no peace. No Biafra, no peace. Then go see something. They're gonna collect one by one.
Okay, my people, no be smarting. That video you just watch now is a policeman with a white heels who has been killed by unknown gunmen on his way. I don't know where he's going, but this is happening in OKIGWE in Imo State. Now so we see Amo, no be smarting. It's the hot things are really going on and things is happening, and our leaders are paying deaf ear for what is going on, and they keep on chasing shadow and refuse to listen and dialogue with the people they are governor, people they don't have right over. Even the governors in Southeast sit at home on Monday and other days. This is the country you claim that you're a governor in, but another person is governing it for you because of when you refuse to work for the people and listen to your slave masters over in the north. It'll be smarting. They say Governor Mba will threat, say if anybody come outside on sit at home day, we are going to play this video for Governor Mba. And I want you people to share this thing to Enugu Governor Mba to tell him that this is where you say you have been fighting sit at home and you ended sit at home. So what is going on here? Explain for us and let us know what is going on in this particular place. There's so many videos today that pop up in a different location of Biafra land. So tell us how the sit at home was in your state. If you are in Imo State, or in Anambra, or if you are in Ebonyi State, or you are in Enugu, or you are in Abia State, Tell us how the sit at home affected your side today. We want to know. So let's watch this video together and to show Governor Mba that the movement are still going on in the southeast, and the lockdown is totally locked down. There's no movement in southeast today. So let's share this video to Governor Mba to see.
Today is 4th of September 2023. Sit at home. Call number the Muslim can sit at home is 100%. Shops are locked down at their own personal evolution. No one forced them, you can say. The Biafra government is in control. Take note. Monday start on continue at every angle. Monday start on continue. Please hold on to it. I want to thank the federal government and Biafra government in exile for what are doing. The federal government in homeland and Biafra government in exile under the auspices of Simon Ekpa, great man, is doing wonder, doing great, fighting for Biafra restoration and for our leader Muslim to be released. What a wonderful thing! I want to thank him for whatever he's doing. It's an awesome thing. This is Dobanuzo reporting from the Center Hall of Industry in Africa, Abba precisely. Those that are known for creativity, here we are. Look at the red shut down. UÐM no day. Keep up the good work. Global News reporting.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video and they see that these governors are not telling themselves the truth. You understand? They are not telling themselves the truth. You people know the right thing and the people refuse to do the right thing. Simon Ekpa have sent a clear message to Soludo, who organize people who are praying in their market while everywhere is under lock and key. No be small thing. Let's go and read out to how Simon Ekpa talk am, and we'll go put the video for you to watch. He said this is Onkwonewi today, 4th of September 2023. There are CC Soludo and his criminal gang forcing Biafras to come on Monday for prayer. Whosoever that is being used by Soludo to do this should not cry when Biafra remember him. Everywhere is under lock and key, and some idiots are standing in an empty market disturbing our peace. Just take a look. Chukwu ga-akpọ unu ọkụ very soon. Don't be small thing. This is coming out from Simon Ekpa. So we are going to play you the video for you to see what he's talking about and how people is clapping and praying in the empty market as well. So let's watch the video together. Welcome back. As I've watched that video and see the people that Simon Ekpa will be PM of Biafra government in exile is talking about, those who are playing in the market, and today being Monday, being sit at home, not be smart, you know, they say things they happen. Okay, my people, let's look into the next Ogwenge news where we get for hand today. And this one is coming direct from Simon Ekpa, the PM Biafra government in exile. He don't come outside, come to say, he say hope so the man don't run for Abuja. He don't run go Abuja, and as he run go Abuja, you know what he go do. Based on say run go Abuja, anything where he go for Abuja, that one go be in end. And he say nah, right now, hope so the man no sleep for in lodge again. And say that they monitor and bomber to bomber. and every movement wey they make for Biafra land, they monitor am. And for that Abuja wey they know wetin go do, and they say that way im go do for Abuja, and that thing go be in end. This thing they come from Simon Ekpa. My people no be smart, you know. What do you think for this matter wey dey happen? Abeg, may you let us know. We don play video for you concerning the policeman wey unknown gunmen sent to judgment, and the other ones we will show you for here concerning the sit at home. If you support wetin Simon Ekpa dey do, may you write for comment say supported. If you get your own agreement wey they do as well, may you still write, let us know. I believe say in the read am and in the see the story. Abeg, may you no forget, go subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow this page for more updates as they hot. Stay tuned. We're about to drop a bomb for you to watch right now. Okay, see you in the next video.